Hi everybody! My entryway is needing some big help fast, so today I'm working on some wall decor. Keeping your entryway neat and organized as well as beautiful will not only give that super first impression, but it will also make you super happy. Oh! In this video, I will create an antique look window with a lavender wreath. I will link more DIY videos in the description for crafts like this umbrella stand. And stay tuned for this basket craft next week. I'm going to create a window with these 4 frames that I purchased at Dollar Tree. First, I will remove the packaging and backing for all frames. Using a homemade chalk paint in white, I will apply using a foam brush. I want to achieve an antique look, so all my finishes will need to be distressed. I will paint 2 coats, and I won't apply the paint perfectly because of the distressing I will do to the frames. Now I will take this fine to medium grit sanding foam block from Dollar Tree to sand the ridges on all 4 frames. I'm wiping the area and all the frames from all dust with a soft cloth. I'm going to flip the frames over and hot glue them all together. I need to reinforce the frames with these craft sticks from Dollar Tree. I will hot glue them to the seams between the frames to help keep the frames from falling apart. Since there's not room for a full stick here, simply break the stick to fit into place. Now I'll create the wreath using a craft wreath and lavender floral from Dollar Tree. Using wire cutters, clip each lavender sprig from the main stem. Bend each stem to follow the shape of the wreath. Tuck the stem into the wreath and hot glue the sprig. Carefully glue under the flower stem, trying not to have any of the glue showing. Place the next stem where the flowers still touch but are staggered, and repeat all the way around the wreath. You want the flowers to all touch so there won't be any bare patches. Please like and subscribe. Now I'll continue adding the stems, and I am using hot glue. I'm just hurrying the process for the sake of this video. Now this final area is so small that I won't need the full stem, so I only used the floral part. Part of this antique window will be created with a distressed mirror look. Use regular water and sprinkle lightly all over the glass. I just used my fingertips. Now I'll use Krylon Looking Glass spray paint in silver from Walmart. Quickly spray the glass before the water droplets dry. What I did was I sealed the droplets with the spray paint. When you spray the paint, don't worry about even or perfect coats. With the antique look, you don't want a perfect coating, you want a distressed and aged look. If you notice, I even sprayed very sloppy in some areas. Be sure to lay your glass panes in a well-ventilated area that has surrounding areas protected from spray paint. With the day being sunny and breezy, the paint dried quickly. I simply tested the glass to make sure it's completely dry. Then using my fingertips, I wipe off the paint bubbles that were created by the water droplets. The paint flakes off easily, and I'm left behind with an aged mirror look. Now I'll insert the glass pieces into the frames. The painted side of the glass needs to stay towards the back of the frames. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for a new video every Monday. Trust me, if I could do a video twice a week, I would, but I'm only doing them on Mondays! Now I'm using craft rope from Dollar Tree to create a handle for hanging my window. E6000 glue and hot glue are used to secure the rope in place. And now I mount the wreath to the front of my window with hot glue. I glue the wreath at each section of the frames that it touches. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this wall decor. I have linked additional crafts I made for this entryway makeover in the description box. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.